If you want to know how to go about your ACCA registration in Nigeria, as well as your course outline, the fees, exemptions, and basically everything you need to know about ACCA in Nigeria, then you need to watch this video. I'm going to be showing you how to go about it, as well as other things you need to know before you start your ACCA. You're going to write a total of 13 papers before you get certified. But however, there is an exemption, or there are exemptions. You're going to be exempted from 3 from the fundamental knowledge and 1 from the applied skilled knowledge. The 3 papers you're going to be exempted from in the fundamental knowledge are financial accounting, management accounting, accountant in business. And the other one at the applied skill knowledge you're going to be exempted from is accountant, business law. I think it's business law. Okay, corporate and business law. So it's going to be a total of 4 exemptions if you have your degree, if your first degree was in accounting. So other exemptions now depends on the accounting department in your school. If your school signed an MOU with ACCA, they can exempt you from other courses at the applied skill knowledge. I think Covenant, they are exempted from 2 other ones. Base is exempted from 4 other ones at the applied skill. I think Covenant is exempted from financial reporting and performance management, yes. Then Base, I think they are exempted from the whole skills apart from audit and assurance. Then those with ICANN, those with ICANN, they have exemptions from the whole skills, from the whole applied skills. So if you have your ICANN qualification, you just go straight to the professional level. So for the registration fee, you'll be made to pay a sum of £32 to Cicron. I think the Cicron is the account you're going to pay it into, £32. And as at then, when I registered around last year, September and October, I paid, the exchange rate was 475, but now the current exchange rate is £1 to 505 naira. So as when I registered, I paid like 15,000 naira to Cicron. But currently, I heard that the exchange rate is 505, £1 to 505 naira. So the money you're going to pay is around 16,160 naira for your registration. Once ACCA has exempted you from some courses, you will now go ahead and pay for those courses. So for instance, I'm exempted from the 1 from applied skills and 3 from fundamental knowledge. I'll now go ahead and pay for those courses. And for the fundamental knowledge, the financial accounting, the accountant in business, and the management accounting, they are £37 each. And with the current exchange rate, which is 505, that is times 37, it will give you around 18,685 naira. So for each course you are exempted in at the fundamental knowledge, you pay 18,685 naira. Then from the corporate business law, you go ahead and pay £54 with the current exchange rate, which is 27,270 naira. That is a total now from the exemption for just those fundamental knowledge and 1 from applied skills. You can have over 3,205. Okay, so for the student enrollment fee, this just basically depends on the tuition center you go. Some tuition center take 2,000 naira, or some take 3,000. It all depends on the tuition center you go. For the revision and study kit, BPP and Kaplan are the 2 approved materials for ACC, and you have the study text and the revision kit for each of them. The study text, as at when I bought mine last year, it was around 7,500, and the revision kit was 5,500. That was like a total of 13,000. But I heard the price has gone up now, so it should be around maybe 16,500 or 15,500. But it all also depends on the amount of course you want to take at a particular time. If you want to take like 2 courses at that time, you can as well buy 2 study texts and revision kits for the separate courses. Now the lecture fee all depends on your tuition center. Some tuition center take 30,000 for fee weekdays. Okay, so the one I went previously was taking around 30,000, 40,000 for weekend and 30,000 for weekdays. Then other ones I heard they take like 30,000 and they're mostly weekends. Sorry, 30,000 yes, and they're mostly weekends. So it all depends on the tuition center you go to. And one advice I would love to give you is that please choose the tuition center that gives value. Don't just go to a tuition center because it's fancy or maybe they have AC, they have this. I'm telling you from experience, just choose a tuition center that's going to give you value, even if it's under the tree or they're using a classroom from a primary school and they're giving you value for your money. And not just value for your money, like they're teaching you what you understand. Please go for that center. It doesn't matter if it's not so fancy as the previous ones. As long as you're getting value for your money, please go for that center. I also remember that you also pay subscription yearly. I think before 1st of every year you pay your subscription, and I can't really place how much the subscription is currently, but I think last year I paid around 54,000 naira, and the price is like last year, because I just registered of recent, my subscription was 54. Meanwhile my friend's subscription, because she has been a member for like 2 years, so she paid around 70 something or so. I'm not so sure about the subscription fee, the accurate amount for the subscription fee, but I know it increases, and then you pay it at before every 1st of January. Why I chose ACCA? I chose ACCA because with your ACCA qualification, that's like a passport to working as an accountant in over 170 countries. Like, who doesn't want that? That's one. Number 2, the course content is wide, it's very rich. Like, you cover a lot of syllables. Like, I love the course content, is wide and it's also very rich. Okay, so that's all I have for you for now. Let me know if you have any question in the comments below, and I hope I've motivated you to start that professional course you've always been procrastinating. Start it and let's increase our portfolio together. That's all I have for you now. Until then, love and light.